In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a passkey from your Yahoo account securely and efficiently. This simple process will be a breeze as I guide you through each step with straightforward instructions. Let's get started by accessing your Yahoo account security page. To do this, open up your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever you commonly use. Once your browser is open, navigate to Yahoo's website and sign in to your account if you haven't already. Finding your way to the security page is crucial because it houses all the tools you need to manage your account security settings, including those pesky passkeys we're aiming to remove. Once you're securely logged into your account, you'll want to locate the Passkeys section. This is the part where Yahoo offers you the flexibility to manage all passkeys linked to your account. Scan the security page diligently until you find this section. It usually isn't hard to spot. When you do find it, you'll see a button labeled Manage right next to it. Go ahead and click that button. This action will lead you to a list which displays all the passkeys that currently exist for your account. Now it's time to get to the heart of the operation, selecting the passkey you wish to remove. Take a moment to carefully look through the list of available passkeys. Ensure you're selecting the correct one, as removing a passkey is an action you cannot undo. Once you've identified the passkey you want to get rid of, give it a click to select it. With the passkey selected, you're ready to move on to the confirmation stage. Click the Next button. This will prompt a new screen to appear, requiring you to confirm that you want to proceed with the removal. It's an additional security measure to prevent accidental deletions. Once you're absolutely sure about your choice, go ahead and click the Remove button. Doing this will finalize the removal of the selected passkey from your account, cleaning up any security credentials you no longer need. After you've successfully removed the passkey, there's just one final step, and that's to simply click Done. This button helps you exit the passkey management screen gracefully and confirms that your action has been completed successfully. You can now rest easy knowing that your security settings are more streamlined and up to date. And that's it. Following these steps methodically will ensure a smooth experience. Keeping your Yahoo account secure is important, so take pride in managing your passkeys effectively. If you ever need to add a new passkey, remember that these steps can guide you back to this section of your account. Thanks for tuning in today, and feel free to reach out in the comments if you have any questions or need further assistance.